Guys, the what people are doing to Musamsaleka, it is totally unfair. Watch this video. I'm gonna come back with the rest of my comments.
Sanibonani bantu baseningizimu Afrika, igama lami nguMusa wakamseleku ovela lapha kuThando Nesithembu. Yazi ngiyahlupheka. Zonke insuku abantu bayascam abantu. Bayabafraud abantu. Bazenza mina. Bavele baveza ivideo kube sengathi mina ngingakhulumi. Umuntu acaba ukuthi ukhuluma nami uMseleku. Kadani ku TikTok, kadani ku Facebook, kadani ku Instagram. Akumina lokho. Alikho ibusiness engilenza nabantu. So makwenzekile umuntu wakuscama ezenza mina namanje kade ngifonelwa omunye umuntu lapha engitshela ukuthi hey ku TikTok kuyabhiziwa kuskenywa abantu ngenxa yakho. Once kwathiwa mina ngifuna si-investe, ngifuna senze imali okwazi ukuthi amanga lawo, I don't do that business ku TikTok. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
So Musamsaleko, he's warning you to be very careful out there, guys. No one will ever send you a message and say, I'm Musamsaleko, invest to this type of a business. Guys, the people are desperate out there and they want your money. So you need to be very careful out there, guys. I still remember Okoni Ferguson and Mam Kids, they also came out to say they don't do Forex. They are not Forex traders. So guys, be very careful out there. Just because you see a picture like Musamsaleko on the account thinking, Musamsaleko, it doesn't work like that. People are using these celebrities' pictures to make money, to scam people. So you need to be very, very careful out there, guys. This world is not safe, especially with the high rate of unemployment in South Africa. People will do anything just to get your cash. People are doing businesses online. People are doing a lot of stuff that you don't even understand. If you don't see anything, don't invest, guys. I do understand that you guys want to make extra money, but don't trust anyone you see on social media. Even if a person you can see he has or she has 100 followers, don't do it, guys. You need to be very careful. I've seen a lot of people. There was a video people were saying, not enhle money ingane yaka Musamsaleko below, guys. The people were saying, what Haibo below, she's doing Forex. Below came out and said, I don't do Forex. And another one, I saw Umakumalo saying that Umakumalo, we are trader, guys. These people are not trading. We see them on Thando Nesithembu. Anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.